Hello everyone! Today I'm excited to share with you a recipe that's perfect for brighten it up any occasion. Say hello to my Zesty Orange Cake recipe packaged with freshness and vibrant flavor. To get started, preheat your oven to 315 degrees F. Grate half an orange to collect its vibrant zest. Squeeze the juice of 2 oranges for that refreshing burst of flavor. In a bowl, combine the sugar and butter, stirring until the mix is smooth and creamy. Add the eggs along with the zest and orange juice and mix up that flavor explosion. Gradually incorporate the sifted flour in the yogurt, stirring until you have a light, airy batter. the baking powder and mix well until your dough is smooth and runny. Absolutely irresistible. Transfer the batter into a Preheat tin and bake for 30 to 35 minutes until golden perfection. Let it cool, then carefully remove the cake from the pan. Finish off with a sprinkle of icing sugar if you desire that extra touch of elegance. And that's it, guys. Our zesty orange cake is complete. Take a look at that beautiful moss crumb and that vibrant orange color. Thanks so much for joining me in the kitchen today. Be sure to leave a comment below with your experiences and any question you might have. And if you are new here, please subscribe for more.